What's going on, guys? Today we'll be installing this awesome Ultrasuede armrest extension on the VB chassis WRX. This is an OEM part. I'll put a part number in the description below. You will need a trim removal tool and a Phillips screwdriver. As you can see, I already have the armrest extension, but I would like to upgrade my interior to mostly Ultrasuede. The link to the trim removal tool is also in the description below. First, we'll be using it to pry this cover off. Just pull it back slightly. Behind it, you will find 3 Phillips screws. Once all 3 screws are off, simply just lift it up. You may have to wiggle it slightly. And here's how the standard armrest extension compares to the Ultrasuede version. The Ultrasuede version simply just feels a lot better. Now it's time to slide the new armrest extension back on. You may have to rotate the hinge slightly to line it up. Now we'll install the 3 Phillips screws back on. We'll give it a quick test to make sure everything works and nothing is interfering. Push the cover back on. We're all set. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for a lot more VB WRX videos.